Most people understand that recycling helps reduce waste, but what's often overlooked is how much energy it saves. Today we are diving into the real energy costs for manufacturing new electronics and how recycling helps cut that down significantly. So producing new electronics is not just about raw materials, it's also about energy. From mining metals to smelting, refining and assembling components, the energy input is massive. Making just one new laptop can consume hundreds of kilowatt hours before it even reaches a store shelf. That's energy that often comes from fossil fuels, meaning more emissions and environmental pressure. When we extract reusable components like RAM, SSDs and screen assemblies, we avoid the energy cost of producing replacements. Even recycling metals is drastically more efficient. Refining aluminium from scrap uses 95% less energy than making it from bauxite. Copper, plastics and circuit boards all follow the same principle, but reuse and recycling demand less energy than starting from scratch. Every device we process is a potential energy saver. We recover parts that can be redeployed, and we partner with recyclers who use modern, energy-efficient processes. Our internal workflows are designed to maximize recovery and minimize waste. We don't just keep e-waste out of landfill, we keep the unnecessary energy consumption off the grid. And the less energy we use globally, the less we rely on destructive extraction and high-emission manufacturing. By recycling your old tech, you are helping reduce energy demand, lower CO2 emissions, and extend the life cycle of valuable resources. So it's not just responsible, it's also impactful. Recycling isn't just about bins and boxes, it's about systems, energy and responsibility. If you want to make sure your electronics aren't just disposed of, but actually contribute to a more energy-efficient future, visit tfix.co.uk to schedule your electronic waste pickup. Let's turn your old tech into new energy savings. Thank you.